Okay, looking at the syllabus now for the plant engineering, the factory. This is the factory in syllabus. So the syllabus is opted into two. We have mechanical this side, we have electrical also this side. So for mechanical, these are the subject. The syllabus is the same, but then there are other subjects that you or modules that you're not going to do. So remember, your GCC is opted into two papers. You have paper 1 and then you have paper 2. So paper 1 is this one where you do this application, but then paper 2 is the one for laws. Paper 2 is the one for the law. And then where is this one is, sorry, is the healthy, is for the syllabus for the healthy and occupational, no? So where you do all the eggs and the eggs, this is paper 2, this one. And then this is going to be paper 1, which is going to be this side. So now on paper 1, you'll be looking at the safety and management, where you're looking at the accident prevention, the fire prevention, the risk control, and then project management and stuff. And then you also have electrical technology, where if you are a mechanic, looking at the electrical, you'll be looking at the direct current, the direct generator, the direct machine, and then all these ones, it's for the only thing that it differs with the with the electrical is that on electrical you'll be doing alternating windings, while on mechanical you don't do alternating windings. And also on mechanical we don't do, this one is the high voltage, the high frequency transist, and then the method on earthing, and then the rectification, and the energy store. So, or the store of energy. This one is for those who are doing electrical. On mechanical, we don't do them on mechanical. And then also the communication, we don't do communication on mechanic. And then also don't do basic of data transmission. So that means if you are doing GCC for electrical, these are the additional on your side, and then the other one they don't do. And then we also have thermodynamics, and the applied thermodynamics, where you'll be looking at now. We can see that if you're doing an mechanical, they have additional also on thermodynamics. They have heat balance, condenser, and steam and gas turbine. And then this one is the flue and combustion chamber. So most of this subject we also touched on our on the videos that I was posting on thermodynamics for steam turbines and heat balance. But then we'll be doing also the videos. I'll be doing videos for the heat balance, the condenser, steam turbine. We do have steam turbine, and then we're also going to do the fans and the internal combustion engine. So most of these videos I'll be posting them soon on this one. And then you can check also on electrical. They have just few that they need to concentrate on thermodynamics. And then we have the strength of material. The strength of material, and then on strength of material you're going to have all this one, the stresses, the simple stress, and then so it's a lot, but most of them we also did on this one. So most of these things we're going to be posting them. I will be posting the videos for also the strength of material, like the fastening, the twisting of shaft, the ropes, the foundations, and then most of this thing we have done it on strength of material. But then I will only be looking at those modules that we never touched on strength of material, or maybe those ones that are new on strength of material, like the torsion of a cylinder shaft, the helical spring, and then all those things that they are new, I'll be touching them. This one, the temperature, stresses. And then we have the theory of machines. The theory of machines, we're looking at the conveyors, the windings, the traction, motor inertia, motion and inertia, tooth, and this one, all this one. We're looking also on this thing. And then we also have the fluid machines, fluid mechanics, and then we have the environmental. So these are as the syllabus for the plant engineering, the factories. So these are the syllabus here, and then this one is also the syllabus for the occupational health. This is paper 2, and then this one is paper 1. So I will be concentrating mostly on the paper 1, and then for those one who need us to do classes, I also offer those preparation classes. So my contact details are always available here in this channel. If you can check them, you'll find them. And then these are the videos that I'm going to post now. The theory of machines, and also the strength of material, and the applied thermodynamics. I will post some of them. So for those who will be preparing on their own, but those one who need to prepare, will need us to prepare together, they can contact me also. We can be able to prepare together.